Have you ever felt like just when everything was going well, suddenly something invisible pulls you down? It could be a situation, a person, or even your own thoughts. You are motivated one moment, and the next you will feel stuck, heavy, and lost. I call these devil traps. These comes in a different form. Fear, doubt, financial struggles, toxic conversation, distraction, or simply wasting your energy in the wrong place. But here's the most important thing. Every trap is also a teacher. Every obstacle carries a hidden lesson inside it. And today, I want to take you inside my own journey, the traps I faced, how I broke them, and how you can too. Big obstacle. First, my beginning. When I stepped into the makeup industry, I thought my passion and excitement would be enough, but reality comes quickly. The very first obstacle was money. Courses were expensive. Product cost so much that for a moment I thought maybe this dream is too big for me. And that's how devil traps start. They whisper, this is impossible. Give up now. But instead of stopping, I choose to focus. I told myself, no matter what, I will do this. Slowly I started learning, researching, saving bit by bit, and somehow doors started open. Work opportunities comes, I got shoots, and even while learning I found way to keep moving. It's true. When your desires is genuine, the entire universe begin to work for you. The first lesson was clear. Obstacles are not here to end your journey, they are here to test how serious you are. The second trap, the trap of unawareness. But here's the tricky part. Not every traps look like a challenge from the outside. Sometimes it's invisible. Sometimes you don't even realize you are caught until you feel restless inside. For me, the signal was always my heart. If I felt too heavy, too uncomfortable, too restless to even enjoy the moment, I learned that the sign this situation is not serving me. For example, have you ever been in a conversation that drained you? You are smiling on the outside, but deep down you are just want to it end. That's not a normal tiredness. That's a trap, a place where your energy is leaking away. The earlier you recognize it, the faster you can step out before it pulls you down completely. A real trap I feel into. Let me share a personal incident. One day, someone comes to me who was feeling low. I thought, let me help, let me cheer her up. I joined her. We talked, we laughed, even we danced. But slowly I noticed her conversation was pulling me down. She was releasing her negativity, and without releasing it, I was absorbing it. And at the end of the day, I felt drained. My own work was left incomplete, and honestly, I felt guilty. I felt guilty. That was a turning point. I realized helping is good, but not at the cost of losing myself. From that day, I promised myself first, complete your work, protect your energy, then help others from a place of strength. Otherwise, you are not helping, you are only transforming pain. So breaking the trap, my tools. So what do I do when I catch myself in a trap? Three things always work for me. First, action. If I am overthinking, I immediately take a step, even a small step toward growth. Finishing a task, learning something new, or just moving my body, action breaks the cycle of doubt. Second, self-talk. I sat down with myself for 10 minutes. I asked, what really happening inside me? Why am I feeling this way? Just listening to my own heart clears half the confusion. Third, fuel for the mind. Sometimes I pick up something motivational to read or listen something uplifting. It shifts my energy back towards hope because energy flows where focus goes. These simple tools help me again and again to come back stronger. The biggest lesson, and if there's one big lesson my journey has taught me, it's this: never depend on others for your peace. People are not your enemies, they are your teachers. If their actions hurt you, take it as a mirror. Learn what not to repeat. Obstacles will always come, traps will always appear, but each time you refuse to fail, each time you rise stronger, you are transforming your story. So, the next time you feel stuck in a devil trap, pause. breathe and remind yourself, this is not here to destroy me. This is here to teach me. Protect your energy, protect your dream. Stay patient, stay awake, stay focused because traps are temporary but your growth is permanent. And remember this, when you choose to rise again and again, the very obstacles that once tried to break you will become the reason you shine even brighter. This was episode 18, Breaking the Devil Traps. Keep growing, keep fighting, and never forget the power of transformation. Your life is already within you. Thank you so much.